Okay, I'm back from Japan, Korea, and Vietnam. So this is Japanese Kit Kat selection. I picked up a small amount of there's purple, sweet potato, strawberry, peach, grape, cantaloupe, 2 types of matcha, and of course I got a regular chocolate. Let's do the taste test. Okay, and so unshaven, a little rough looking. That's because I just got back. I was in South Korea, Vietnam, and Japan. So I picked up some of these Kit Kats from Japan. So this one is sweet potato, purple sweet potato Kit Kat. I wish they had a smaller package, but they didn't. As the minis, they always come in little packages. It's in Japanese, and it looks really interesting. So, purple sweet potato Kit Kat. Here we go. It's all in Japanese, except on the side, purple sweet potato. It's really interesting. Actually tastes really good. I like it. Next. Peach. What I'm going to do is only eat half because I have a lot to do. Peach Kit Kats. I like it. It has a not too strong peach flavor. Okay, so this is a melon and mascarpone cheese. I would say cantaloupe, but it has a, let's see if it focuses, it is melon and mascarpone cheese. Look how bright this is. Has a pleasant flavor. The flavor is a little strong, but I really don't taste the mascarpone cheese. Not bad at all. Alright. Strawberry. Just strawberry. Strawberry Kit Kat. And again, I'm only eating half of it because there's a lot to eat. And I can't, I always look over because I'm looking at myself instead of looking at the camera. So forgive me. Strawberry tastes pretty good. Either I'm losing my taste buds or just not that strong. Okay, this is a matcha, a Sakura, S-A-K-U-R-A matcha. Matcha's green tea. There's a picture of a green tea, see? Okay, let's see what this matcha tastes like. It's not bad. I'm trying to savor the flavor, but either I'm losing my taste buds or just doesn't have a lot of flavor. Now this is a UJI matcha, and hopefully I don't get sick from eating all this crap. Again, well, it's green like the other one, but not as dark. Let me see, where's the other one? So maybe that's one just stronger than the other, or is it? Yeah, slightly darker. I can't distinguish. I like this matcha better. Again, it's not a strong taste, but it's a little stronger than the other one. Okay. So far, I like all of them. I prefer the probably sweet potato, matcha, cantaloupe, peach, then strawberry. Alright, here we go for the grape. And actually, I've already opened the grape. Because normally I hate grape. Here we go, here we go. Look at that. And I would not buy this. There's grape has a and tastes like grape soda. And of course, it's in Japanese, so I can't tell you how much artificial ingredients it has. But this is the least favorite. This is the best one. Purple sweet potato matcha is the best one. Alright, so thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.